ISS SHOCK NASA Spacewalk feed cut after anomaly spotted, sparking frenzy. NASA's live feed of the International Space Station, ISS, was suddenly cut after an anomaly appeared in the background of one of the astronauts working, sparking a frenzy online. Today, Christina Koch and Anne McClain were scheduled to perform the first all-female spacewalk together on the ISS. NASA cancelled the plan last minute though, due to a lack of spacesuits of the right sizes, replacing Ms. McClain with Nick Hague, in a move that has sparked controversy. After the event, a number of conspiracy theories have emerged surrounding the ISS spacewalk mission. Eagle-eyed viewers watching the live stream noticed something bizarre floating around behind Mr. Hague as he worked on the space station. It was quickly shared online by popular conspiracy channel Security Team 10, where presenter Tyler Glockner wildly claimed he thought it could be a UFO. Eagle-eyed viewers watching the live stream noticed something bizarre floating around behind Mr. Hague as he worked on the space station. It was quickly shared online by popular conspiracy channel Security Team 10, where presenter Tyler Glockner wildly claimed he thought it could be a UFO. He said, "This is yet another example of NASA cutting the live feed after a UFO was spotted while one of the astronauts is out doing their spacewalk." You'll notice for the good portion of the video there is no UFO. The UFO appears just above the Earth's horizon line, and I want you guys to notice that, up until the UFO appears, the video feed is pretty stable. I want you guys to watch here. Right as the UFO appears, you'll notice the live feed get more and more interference until they finally decide to cut it. He went on to reveal how the live feed was then cut, claiming the astronaut was not aware a UFO had come into shot. He added, "Here's the point, the UFO actually comes into view and you will notice the interference ramping up. Then finally the feed cuts." Oddly enough, it incidentally happens right as the UFO comes into view. Either the astronaut doesn't see it, or there is a delay in communication, so they just cut the feed. Bizarrely, this incident is not the first of its kind. On March 15, the Soyuz spacecraft successfully reached the ISS, but the journey was shrouded in conspiracy. 3 days before the spacecraft reached the ISS, an unidentified object was seen flying below the space station. Moving from left to right, at some pace, it appeared to have a red glow to it. It was quickly shared on YouTube, where the uploader questioned if it could be a UFO or a satellite. However, there has been no official confirmation. Before that, Mission Control was left baffled by a strange anomaly during the STS-106 mission in September 2000. During a pass-by of Chicago, two bright objects were seen flying across the screen, which appeared to startle the flight controller back at Mission Control in Houston. He said, "Atlantis is approaching sunrise as it passes the Great Lakes area. There's a view of Chicago and some, ice crystals, or other items being illuminated by the rising sun. Atlantis now moving into the sunrise, in just about the next minute or so. As that occurs, ice crystals that come off the shuttle becomes illuminated." The bizarre event left conspiracy theorists, including Jeff Chalender, convinced NASA had just captured something they should not have. During Amazon Prime's Secret Space, he revealed his view on how the event went down. He said in 2017, just as the shuttle was passing over Chicago, two unusual objects were seen flying below. The first object appeared smaller and further away, but the second was very bright and moved at speed. Or perhaps they realized that the video goes out to the public. Mr. Chalender then went on to reveal why he believed the anomalies were not ice crystals. He added, "The anomalies are not ice crystals sparkling in the sun." The announcer even said the sun will rise in a few minutes. This proves the objects were self-luminous. Good one, ice in the rising sun when the sun hasn't even risen yet.